If you are new to cryptocurrency, for a beginner, if you have never bought cryptocurrency before and you are thinking of buying and you don't know your way around, you don't know the platform to use, you don't know how to invest, you don't know how to buy, it is okay, because in this video I will be showing you how to invest in cryptocurrency as a beginner. And let me tell you, YouTubers, those crypto experts that are teaching you, they will never tell you this. So you need to pay attention so that you will know what to do step by step on how you're going to do it in order for you to invest in cryptocurrency. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We talk about how to make money online and we focus majorly on cryptocurrency. If you really want to make money online, subscribe to this channel, because we will be releasing exclusive and important educative updates and videos that will show you or teach you how to make money online. Without wasting much time, let's quickly go into what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency, as everybody thinks, is a way of making money. No, cryptocurrency is not just a way of making money. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency. You know what currency is? Money. Yeah. Cryptocurrency is money, online digital money. Cryptocurrency is not a way of making money. It's actually money personified. It's actually money itself. So cryptocurrency is a money that is backed by a security called a blockchain. Cryptocurrency is a combination of two words, cryptography and currency. Cryptography simply means is a kind of an advanced mathematics that you need to solve in order to sign a contract. And the first cryptocurrency that came into existence is the Bitcoin. You must have been hearing this over and over again, but you should understand that Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency ever that came into existence, and it was developed, or it came to existence in 2009. You can believe and you can agree with me that cryptocurrency is the future money, is our future money. That is why I keep telling people and I keep encouraging people that you need to understand what cryptocurrency is. You need to learn cryptocurrency. Try as much as possible to know at least 40% of what cryptocurrency is and how it operates and how it works, because very soon the world will change in order to accommodate cryptocurrency, and very soon countries will start adopting cryptocurrency. We're already seeing the signs. So let's talk about some cryptocurrencies, or types of cryptocurrencies. Like, we have different kinds of cryptocurrency, but majorly cryptocurrency is divided into Bitcoin, altcoins, NFTs, and tokens. Now, Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency in existence. Now, when the Bitcoin was in existence, it was as if that is the only cryptocurrency, until other cryptocurrencies started coming into existence just be better than Bitcoins. So like Ethereum, that was the second cryptocurrency in existence, was built in order to be better than Bitcoin, and other currencies that were built in order to be better than Bitcoin. So after Bitcoin, which is the first ever cryptocurrency, all other cryptocurrencies, all other coins are called altcoins. Another one is token. Now these tokens are not really a coin because they don't have their own blockchain. Now blockchain is the security that protects a cryptocurrency, like they do here in our banks. Thieves enter and steal our money that is in the bank. So people can just hack into your computer and steal your cryptocurrency. That is why it needs to be protected, and the security that protects it is called blockchain. Any coin that is not built on its own blockchain is called a token. So all other coins, that's all that coins, altcoins, they all have their own blockchain, and because they have their own blockchain, the example of that, like Ethereum, Binance Coin, Litecoin, and the rest, they have their own blockchain. There are few blockchains that accommodate tokens, or that allow other people to come and build a coin in their token, like the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum blockchain, they have another blockchain that is specifically for tokens. That is the ERC20 blockchain, is for tokens. Now BNB, they have another blockchain, BEP20, BEP20 blockchain, that is specifically for tokens. Tron, they also have TRC10 and TRC20 for tokens as well. So these blockchains accommodate tokens. So that is what tokens are. They don't have their blockchain. That is why they are called tokens. NFTs are kind of the opposite of coins and cryptos and all those things, because they are non-fungible. What we mean by non-fungible is that you can't duplicate them. Like, for example, Bitcoin, the supply is not one. There are millions of supplies of Bitcoin. Now NFTs, their supply is limited to one. They are unique. That is why they are called non-fungible tokens. They are tokens. They are usually built on other blockchains, so they are non-fungible tokens. So, and they are unique. You can't duplicate NFTs. That is why it's non-fungible. As a new beginner and want to invest in cryptocurrency, you might be asking yourself these questions: which platform should I use to invest? Which platform am I going to use to invest in cryptocurrency? Now, there are a lot of platforms, there are a lot of applications where you can buy cryptocurrency from, or where you can invest your cryptocurrency. These platforms are divided into two, or these applications are divided into two. We have the decentralized application and we have the centralized application. Now, let me explain. Decentralized, when we say decentralized, is not governed by a third party, or is not controlled by a third party. It is you and the application, no third party, no middleman. That is a decentralized application. And when we talk of decentralized applications, we talk about the pancake swap, we talk about the sushi swap, we talk about the Uniswap, we talk about the PeerBet and the rest. See, these platforms, they are decentralized platforms, they are decentralized applications. They are not controlled by a third party. There are platforms, or there are wallets that are decentralized. Like, we have the Trust Wallet, is a decentralized wallet, or your MetaMask wallet, or Coinbase wallet is the centralized application. Now, when we talk about the centralized application, now these are applications that are developed by people and are being protected, or being guided, or being monitored by a third party. And when you are making a transaction, or when you are buying a coin from them, you are interacting with a third party. That you give the third party your money and he gives you the coin that you are demanding for. But it is the opposite in this decentralized applications, where you directly, the coins are being released in the application. So you just go there, you paying the money for the price of the coin, and you taking your coin. That is how it works. Now, example of centralized applications that you can buy Bitcoin or cryptocurrency from are like Binance, which is the number one top platform, centralized platform where you can buy a coin from, or where you can the platform where you can use to invest cryptocurrency from. We have the Coinbase, we have Robinhood, Hotbit, we have PeerBet, we have KuCoin, and so many of them that you can easily buy a coin from them. Centralized applications, they allow you to use your card, they allow you to use the P2P, and they also allow you to deposit. Now, this depositing is kind of, you share your wallet ID with your friend, and they send you the coin you are requesting for. That's one of the easiest way to buy. Another way is to use your card. With the use of card to buy cryptocurrency has been bad in Nigeria, so the only method, or the best method here in Nigeria, is the P2P, or the friend depositing method. The P2P, you simply go to the P2P platform. Let's say, for example, if you go to a centralized platform, you go to the P2P platform, you pay money, and the coin is released directly into your wallet. You don't know who you are interacting with. The platform makes sure that everything is safe and nobody gets scammed. Now, as a beginner that wants to invest in cryptocurrency, you need to note this. The experts in cryptocurrency, they will not tell you this, and you need to understand this. There are risks involved in cryptocurrency. When we talk about investing in stock, or investing in a company, or investing generally, when you talk about investing, you need to talk about ROI, return on investment. Now, when you talk about return on investment, that is, you are being paid either every month or annual returns, or monthly returns on investment. So in cryptocurrency, there is nothing like return on investment. Investment in cryptocurrency is very, very risky, because there is nothing like return on investment. You only focus on the volatility of the cryptocurrency you are investing on. Now, cryptocurrency is very volatile. It goes up and it goes down. Let me give you an example of what investment in cryptocurrency really is. There was a time in the 90s, dollar against naira was like almost the same. Let's say, for example, you have 1 million naira then, and you just decided to put it in dollar. You just decided to transfer the money, change it to dollar. By now that dollar is higher than naira, you will have been a multi-millionaire by now. So that's the same thing in cryptocurrency. Let's say, for example, in 2009, you noticed cryptocurrency, or you found out about cryptocurrency, or you saw this video and you decided to turn your $100 into 100 Bitcoin, because as of then, Bitcoin was still of 0.00 something. It was negligible. The price against dollar was negligible. So you decided to turn your $1,000 into 1,000 Bitcoin. By now, you should have been a Bitcoin millionaire. So that is what investing in Bitcoin is. while investing as a beginner, you should have it in mind that when the price goes high, yes, you will make money, and also when the price goes down, you will lose money. So you can either lose or you gain in cryptocurrency. There is nothing like invest in cryptocurrency and you'll be making $1,000 every month. It is a lie. The cryptocurrency does not pay. It is only when the price goes high that you can make the money. So that is cryptocurrency investment. That is why I tell people there are risks involved in cryptocurrency. You can get liquidated and your money is gone. As a beginner in cryptocurrency, and you want to know how to invest in cryptocurrency, you must be asking yourself, which crypto should I invest in? Now, take this as an advice. Though I'm not a financial advisor, but take this as an advice. As a beginner in cryptocurrency, don't look for those cheap coins to invest in. Don't look for those tokens to invest in. First of all, research has been made on Bitcoin that it has come to stay. Research has been made on Ethereum that is very legit. Research has been made on Binance coin that it has come to stay as well. And research has been made on the first 10 coins you see there. Most of them, research has been made on them and it has been proven that they are very legit. I will advise you as a beginner, invest in Bitcoin, invest in Ethereum, invest in Binance coin. Forget about those coins that their price are very cheap. You don't know what might happen tomorrow. You don't know what might happen the next day. You can wake up in the morning and you will not see your money again. And you also might be asking yourself as a beginner that want to invest in cryptocurrency, how much should I invest as a beginner? How much should a beginner invest? Now, as a beginner in cryptocurrency, don't invest $1 million when it's only $1 million in your account. Don't invest $100,000 when it's only $100,000 in your account. Invest what you can afford to lose. Now, I want to ask you, when you invest that $100 and it goes down to nothing, zero, can you bear it? Can you afford to lose that kind of money? So it is advisable to invest what you can afford to lose. That is a popular saying and that is a popular advice in cryptocurrency. Popular saying in cryptocurrency that says, do your own research. DYOR. Very, very important as a crypto beginner, you do a research before you invest in any coin. So make sure you do your own research. You want to invest without making any research. Think of investing in Bitcoin. Think of investing in Ethereum. Think of investing in Binance coin. I'll drop links to all the platforms I've been using to trade and to invest in cryptocurrency in the description below. So make sure to check the description so that you will get the link to all the platform. And as you use my link, you get some incentives, and I will also get incentives when you invest. So do make sure to use my link to register Binance, Coinbase, and the rest, so that you can get some incentives, and I as well will do get some incentive. And tell me in the comment section, which cryptocurrency are you intending to invest on first? You want to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the Binance coin? Which coin do you want to invest on first? Tell me in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share to your friend who also want to understand how to invest in cryptocurrency.